caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
On AEGs, I came out last minute. Watching meteors. Got the propane light. This is Native Nature Outdoor Adventure. Got a fire in the back. I'm staying in the old 96 GMC. That's where I'm sleeping tonight. We're gonna have a couple beers and cook some pork chops. Watch meteors. So stay tuned. We got the light on, beer, and then I got pork chops that are there. There's the solar light, fire, my chair, the truck I'm sleeping in the middle of nowhere. I went and got some snow from over there, put it over here by the fire. And I can use it for my beer and to put it out if it gets out of control. And there's sand. Oh yeah, the shovel. Came with a kit my mom gave me, so I put it together so I can throw sand on the fire if it gets out of control, or snow. Good morning, Ani Buju, and Dejanagas, Azanguday Makwa. That means hello, how are you? My name is Stronghearted Bear. And in the truck, sleeping. Yep, had a good fire. Time to wake up. Time to get ready and go. Pick up my mess.